Hello children, welcome to today's English online class. Dear children, in this class let us see the revision of lesson number 23, this and that from grammar part. Okay children, page number 53 and 54. Okay children, let us revise this. So we know that we use this and that to point out singular things around us. Right children? We use this and that to point out singular things around us. Right children? And also this is used for things that are near to us. Remember. So we use this for the things that are near to us. Okay, and we use that. Okay, that is used for things that are far from us. Okay children, once again, this is used for things that are near to us, and that is used for things that are far from us. Okay children, for example, see here, you can see some pictures here, right? So this is a jar and this is a tree. So here you can see first one, this is a jar, you can see here. So pointing here, right? So it is near, right children? So we should use this. But here in this side, you can see this one pointing very far, right children? You can see the distance here. It is near and it is far. Okay, so we should use that. Okay, that is a jar. So, and next second example. Here you can see the distance. It is very near, right children? So here you can see the distance. It is far, right? So we should write this. This is a tree. If it is far from us, we should write that is a tree. Okay children? So once again, remember, we use this for things that are near to us, and we use that for things that are far from us. Okay children? Next, let us see first main of this lesson. First main, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks using this and that. Okay children? Let us revise this one. First one, dash is a telephone. Is it near or far children? Near only, very good. So we should write THIS, this. This is a telephone. Next second one, dash is a horse. Is it near or far? Far, very good. So we should write that, THAT, that. That is a horse. Next third one, dash is a parrot. Near, right children? So we should write THIS, this. This is a parrot. Next fourth one, dash is a monkey. Near or far children? See the distance? Far, right children? So we should write THAT, that. That is a monkey. Next fifth one, dash is a bicycle. Near or far? Far. So what is the answer? THAT, that. That is a bicycle. Next, sixth one, dash is a chair. Near, right? So what is the answer? THIS, this. This is a chair. Next, seventh one, dash is a cock. Near or far children? Far, right? See the distance. So what is the answer? THAT, that. That is a cock. Right children? Next, let's go to second main. Second main, fill in the blanks using this and that. Let us revise this. First one, dash is an apple. Near or far, children? Near only. So we should write THIS. This. This is an apple. Second one, dash is a shoe. Near or far, children? Far. So we should write THAT. That. That is a shoe. Next, third one, dash is a cap. Near. So we should write THIS. This. This is a cap. Fourth one, dash is a motorbike. Near or far? Far. So we should write THAT. That. That is a motorbike. Okay, children. Next. Fifth one, dash is a clock. What is the answer? This. THIS. This is a clock. Next. Sixth one, dash is a frog. Near or far? Far. So we should write THAT. That. That is a frog. Next, seventh one, dash is a bat. Near or far? Near. So we should write THIS. This. This is a bat. Next, eighth one, dash is a mat. It is far, right, children? So we should write THAT. That. That is a mat. Next, ninth one, dash is a belt. Near or far? Near. So we should write THIS. This. Okay. This is a belt. Next, last one, 10th one, dash is a cup. Near or far, children? Far. So what is the answer? THAT. That. That is a cup. Okay, children. So like this, we should write this or that. So this is about today's revision class, children. Read this one and learn this one. Okay, children. Have a good day. Take care.